Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to restore deleted posts in WordPress the right way. This is a simple, safe process that works for beginners and pros alike, so follow along and you'll have that content back where it belongs. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress site's homepage. Click the login button in the top right corner. If your site uses Google authentication, choose Continue with Google and pick the account you use for the site. That gets you into the dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Posts menu in the left-hand sidebar and click it. You'll see your list of posts, published, drafts, and more. At the top of that list, there's a small link labeled Trash. Click that. Trash is WordPress's safety net. Deleted posts are stored there temporarily so you can recover them. In the trash view, scan the list for the post you want to recover. When you find it, click the restore link next to the post title. WordPress immediately moves the post back to its original state, typically to the published or draft list depending on what it was before deletion. After restoring, go back to all posts and locate the post. Open it and preview to make sure featured images, categories, tags, and the content look right. If anything changed, hit update to save corrections. If you used a custom permalink or SEO plugin, double check the slug and metadata so search engines and links keep working. If the post isn't in trash, don't panic. Check revisions inside the post editor, restore from your backup plugin like Updraft or a host backup, or contact your hosting provider. They can often restore recent backups. That's it. Quick, safe, and reliable. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more WordPress rescue guides and 2025 tutorials. Drop a comment if you want a walkthrough for restoring from backups or fixing missing images after restore. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.